So this is now the first 3 boxes of shipment from California arrived today. Okay, let's open it. Okay, let's open it. This carton. Here. This cutter, box cutter. Okay. Oh, these are all the things inside. See? Oh, these things, towels, clothes, stinking bullet. Oh, these organizer. These are the things I bought. This one is a gift. This is a blanket, thick blanket, slippers, and all this. And this one, pan, slippers, oh, everything. Toilet paper. Oh, thank you, Lord. Oh, it's Sunday when I opened the door. The other 3 boxes has arrived. So my shipment is complete. 6 boxes, 6 cartons. Wow. Oh, the last 3 boxes just arrived today. This is very heavy. The other one is, this one is 44 pounds. Let's open it. Personal stuffs given to me, and some I got some. Okay. Documents. Okay. Got you. Oh, I got this one. See, actually, for the plates, see that? Okay. Oh, the sleeping bag is finally here. Look at this. And the one for the plates. Wow. Chopping board. Oh, plates. Okay, just showing you a portion of what I got. Books, shirts, oh, the stick ladder. What else? Wow, so many things. Cotton buds. My cousin gave me, timba. And this one, my friend gave me. Wow. Oh, what's this? A slipper. Oh, stapler. Shield brush. This is new. These are new. Office supplies, blanket. Just my blanket. This and office supplies, notebook. And this one, oh my goodness, give me this one, the food, the nuts. Wow. This box, I think are clothes. Okay. Oh, the back. See that? And then clothes. And then this one. There's what inside. Oh, also clothes. Backpack. And clothes. Okay. Oh, everything's here. Towel. Oh, thank you, Lord. This box plus tape holder, puncher. What else? This box, this, and then this one for the what's this, dish dryer. This one, and this is it, the sharpener. See that? And this one is the best one. It's the new, really new. What is it? The pot. What do you call this pot? Oh, the expensive pot. I don't know how to call it. Oh, they give me this one also. This one, so many things. Salad master. Okay, that's it. Thank you, Lord. Okay, another box arrived today. Package. Let's open it. And then here. Oh wow. Oh, nice. Wow. Oh. Oh, this is coffee. Coffee. See? Wow. What is this one? Digital controller, large, easy to read display. What's this one? Oh, from DK. Wow. What is this? Oh, the hoodie. Oh, there's a letter. Oh, and what is? Oh, the pot. They give me this pot. Unbelievable. You know I like the pot. Oh, plants. Oh no. Milk tea. Love it. Oh, the golden whatever knife. Oh, this is. Oh, this is my Lacoste shirt. Oh, blanket. Oh, this is for the pot. Wow. Can't imagine. Vitamins. And this one, scarf. Head scarf. Oh, neck warmer. They call it. Gloves. Oh, this is my shirt. Mittens. Head scarf. Another one. And this one is. Interesting. Heated roll digital controller. Oh, okay. Thank you, Lord.